I have found the conference to be very valuable. I think the contacts that I've made here have been invaluable. Some very good content that I'm very impressed with.
Very impressed by the number of company and people present and the quality of the talks. It's very interesting and impressive to see how Indian market is growing and how the tire industry is present here in India at the GTRC to enhance and develop this huge country and tire market.
Topics are not imposed, topics are free, so at the end of one day, of 2 days, you can have a glimpse of everything goes on. So this is important because according to the speakers and according to the team they are touching, you can have really a 360 degrees of everything that is going on in this industry. Of course, the level of the guest is very high, so this one is also very important, means that there is attention, the audience is very keen to understand what's going on, and is of course an opportunity for networking and meeting old friends.
Say many thanks for the great organization, for bringing so great people and top experts in our industry. This is a very unique place where we can networking, and I would recommend this conference for everybody.
Yeah, I like the interaction. It's a good setup, good speakers, the high quality audience. So yeah, all in all, a good combination.